Hi everyone, this is Coach Tel, and today let's do something different and let's get to know the coaches.
Si Coach Stel naman, wala, he's just Stel. Well, Stel is Stel. You know, alam niyo naman si Stel, di ba? Laging kabardagulan. Pero, it's always fun to be with. Tsaka, kakakwela. Pero, sa kabila ng pagkakakwela niya, talagang lahat ng mga bagay ay nagme-make sense. Kapag sa lahat ng mga sinasabi niya, ikitang-kita mo na nag-enjoy siya as a coach.
I think Stel is, masasabi ko lang, very amicable ba yung term? Or very friendly, kaya niyang lumebel sa level ng mga bata. Kasi nakukuha niya agad yung loob ng mga bata. Yun yung masasabi ko.
Coach Tel, tama na. Nanalo ka na nung last season, Generations. Huwag ka namang agaw ng mga iba. Mga agaw si Stel. Mang-aasar si Stel. Hindi po siya mabait actually. Mukha lang mabait, pero hindi siya mabait. May pagka-humble. Sometimes. But Stel is Stel. Okay? So let me tell you something. All the coaches are available for you. Pero lang kay Stel, please. Parang awan niyo na. Tama lang, Stel.
Hi everyone, this is Coach Tel, and I am one of the coaches here at The Voice Kids.